of algebraic thinking, the analyzing change. So I'm going to go through a few slides, and then we're going to do this activity that is about building cubes. That's what the snap cubes are for. So for analyzing change, what do we mean by analyzing change? We have several different types of change, qualitative and quantitative. Do you happen to know the difference between the two? What's qualitative change? That's a type of change that is not measured by numbers. Words. So maybe a color might change from blue to green or something like that. You're not going to measure it by numbers. Quantitative change is something that's measured by numbers. The way I remember this, quantitative with that N as the fourth letter helps me out. Numbers, quantitative. And things we looked at, like that George and the popcorn graph, we talked about which one was? George's sister ate fast because the graph was dipping down quick, and then she ate slow, and then she ate fast again. So that's a varying change. So we've already talked about some of this stuff because with George's sister on George and the popcorn, her rate of change varied between fast and slow. What about George's rate on that popcorn? Do y'all remember? Constant. He had that straight line, and it was constant change all the way. So part of this activity is looking at how things change and looking at whether it's a varying change or a constant change. Okay, let me take a look at the next slide here. Okay, so here's the activity. It's called building cubes.